All right, so initially when I planned this section, and honestly, all the way leading up to about an hour ago when I was doing more research and learning more about this functionality, I intended to use this section as a way to show you how you can have agents log into your system and be able to see and manage the contacts that you guys share together. And I'm still going to do that. I'm still going to show you that. However, I don't think that the functionality is make this a really smooth experience. Personally, we have some clients that are providing their agents sub-accounts, right? Their own sub-accounts. And that seems to be working, that seems to be working way better than I think that this is going to work, or we've seen anybody make this work. And now doing my own research and trying to dive into it, I kind of see some of the issues with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover the followers functionality of contacts and opportunities. Followers allow you to assign multiple users to a contact or to an opportunity and only have one be the actual owner of that contact or opportunity, but have multiple people that even if you have their settings configured to only allow access to assigned data, you can have multiple people access it as if they were assigned to it. Now, there's a couple drawbacks with that, and we'll talk about those in a minute, but let's talk about what this looks like really quick. Let me move around on screen, give you something to look at. So we're going to go over here. And now you'll notice we have an owner, right? And we want to make sure that our contacts are getting assigned to their owner. So this isn't something that we've talked a whole lot about, but it's something that you will experience very quickly, which is that the contacts do not assign themselves when you upload them. You have to put them in a workflow that assigns them to a particular contact, or you have to upload them with the owner map. So make sure that you guys are paying attention to that. That said, right, if I select my owner here, I have the ability to select my other users in the account as a follower. That's cool. That's cool functionality. And it seems like it's going to open up a lot of opportunity. There's definitely some limitations with it though. One of the limitations is that notifications don't go to followers right now. So it allows the user to be able to log in and edit and view the contacts that they are a follower of, but it does not automatically send them notifications. And it's not easy within workflows to configure sending notifications to followers. I think that's a huge drawback of the follower functionality that doesn't exist necessarily if you can do like a sub account setup with them. Again, how to configure that is going to be outside the scope of this course, but we'll talk about it at some point soon, and know that we do have some clients that are successfully executing that and they love it. That said, the follower functionality, it does allow for a little bit more flexibility and allowing multiple users to have access to contacts, even if they're not technically the owner. We can do the same thing in opportunities. So if we come over to opportunities, I can come in here and we'll have my owner right there, but then I can also add followers as well. So they don't necessarily transfer over automatically. These are things that you'll need to set up. If you want to automate this, we'll be going into automations and workflows here in the coming sections. So we'll talk more about that. But for right now, know that you do have this functionality. It does allow you to control access. It allows you to control who sees the information. But the notification functionality that most loan officers are looking for when they're partnering up with an agent and they're wanting to make the process of sending notifications easier, that is not necessarily made simpler by this follower functionality. And I do think that's a big drawback. But followers are relatively new. I would say follower came out in the last 6 months to a year. So I expect us to see some improvements with that. But with that said, that is followers for opportunities and contacts, a way that you can manage access control, whether it's between loan officers on your team or it's real estate agents outside of your team, outside of your office. You can use this functionality to do that. All right, guys, now you know how to do everything you need to know how to do with users. We're going to jump into the next section. We'll see you on the other side.